Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric jackhammers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XtremepowerUS 2200 watt heavy-duty electric demolition jackhammer. Designed considering versatility, this equipment from XtremepowerUS is suitable for demolition, chipping, trenching, creating holes in concrete block brick. Moreover, users can also use it for shifting foundation concrete slab oil chimney conveniently. The good thing about this jackhammer is that it comes with lots of accessories to simplify the use. Those include blow mold case, oil feeder, 1-1/8, bull point chisel, 1-1/8, flat chisel, hexagon bar wrench, glove, safety mask, and safety goggle. What is more, the body features a plastic handle to protect users from electric shock. Notably, the product operates at 2200 watts of electric power to accomplish different types of jobs. At the same time, there is the presence of a blow mold case to improve workability. Moving on at number 4, we have the F2C2200W heavy-duty electric demolition jackhammer. When you purchase this industrial jackhammer, you have high-quality performance and long-lasting results at an affordable cost. Those who have used this equipment expressed that it is ideal for demolition, chipping, trenching holes into the concrete, block, tile stucco. What is more, it is also good for taking out a foundation, oil chimney, concrete slab, and many more. The no-load speed of this jackhammer is 1900 impacts per minute. As a result, this speed is enough for powerful demolition. In addition, the product comes with 1-1/8, bull point chisel and 1-1/8, flat chisel to enhance the braking operation. With the assistance of its powerful motor operating at 2200 watts, all job is accomplished perfectly. At number 3, we have the ZENY 2200W heavy-duty electric demolition jackhammer. Those looking for a performance-based electric jackhammer for different demolition jobs can try using this equipment from ZENY. Not only the performance but even the versatility is admirable. Users can use this gear to accomplish different jobs relating to demolition. Those include chipping, trenching, the creation of holes in the block, concrete, brick, and many more. As you can see, the body of this tool highlights metal construction with the industrial coating finish to provide resistance against corrosion. Plus, it is to enhance durability too. The product operates through a high-performance 2200 watt motor to work efficiently. At number 2, we have the Makita HM1810X370 LB AVT breaker hammer. This AVT breaker hammer from Makita is suitable to handle the most challenging applications. So, this is the reason why this equipment is used extensively for different applications. Implemented by anti-vibration technology, AVT, it is essentially an internal counterbalance mechanism that decreases vibration. At the same time, it applies more impact energy over the work surface. Moreover, this type of mechanism enhances user comfort and productivity. On its body, there is an LED power light that notifies you about cord damage or switch failure. Besides, it works through a high-performance 15.0 AMP motor that works at 1100 BPM. Over and above, this motor is equipped with field core intertwining steel laminations, more copper commutator bars, and dual ball bearing armature. This type of arrangement enhances the energy transfer efficiency to deliver high power and prolonged tool life. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch 11335K 35-pound 1-1/8-inch jackhammer kit. The present model of a jackhammer kit from Bosch is recognized as a powerful and efficient tool. That gear works to deliver unparalleled performance for breaking through solid surfaces. With all, you can consider the equipment to be versatile since it effortlessly caters to your everyday requirements. Both for beginners and professionals, it is highly recommended. To ensure efficiently breaking through solid surfaces, this equipment implements the latest anti-vibration technology. This technology uses a flexible two-handed design which curtails vibration significantly. Its bit retention is versatile since it accepts 1-1/8 inch hex steel and standard 1-1/8 inch air steel. Thanks to the help of a smooth auxiliary handle, this equipment is capable to maintain the optimal posture. Moreover, this handle also presents comprehensive control, making it very comfortable. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.